Hi friends, welcome to this week's video in which Pranav is going to share with you his recipe for a blueberry and peach buckle. We're also going to share with you our Raksha Bandhan celebrations from just yesterday. You'll be able to skip over that via the chapters in the description box if you're not interested and just focus on this beautiful, delicious buckle.
What are we baking? Buckle. Buckle. Okay, that's good.
Oh, stop it. Okay. This buckle uses only 5 ingredients. Pranav made it for my birthday 2 weeks ago, and we loved it so much we decided to make it again. It uses seasonal blueberries and peaches, and the original recipe, which is from Food52, is linked down below in the description box for you.
So now that we have filmed the ingredients, I'm gonna take the fruit away because fruit is just a topping. Next step is to get this half a cup of butter melted in the oven.
And the butter goes into the oven while we prepare the batter.
Next we can prepare our batter. So we'll mix all batter related ingredients into the bowl. So the idea is we don't need to mix a very fine batter. It should be clumpy. So I'm gonna keep this coarse batter aside and look at our melted butter in the pan. And the next step should be to mix them together. And the melted butter, you don't need to really mix it together with the batter, but let it flow in the crevices of the batter. Just gently mix the butter. The idea is not to fully mix it, and that should be good enough. So next, we're just gonna top it with the fruits, which is blueberries and peaches.
Mahi! Now, the original Food52 recipe doesn't call for peaches. However, at this time of year, we have some very beautiful seasonal peaches as well as seasonal blueberries. So we decided to take advantage of that and incorporate these Niagara peaches.
Going straight to the oven for an hour.
An hour?
An hour.
Oh, okay.
Because you want that butter to get really brown and charred.
Yeah, no, I just wanted the butter now.
Yeah, it's an hour.
I just knew.
There we go.
Okay. Kind of a mess. Today is Raksha Bandhan, it's Rakhi, and myself and Pranav's sister, Supriya Didi, we have a little bit of a surprise in the works. Didi sends Pranav a Rakhi every single year. There were challenges this year with COVID, and Pranav thinks that his Rakhi is not here. But the Rakhi is here. She sent a little package for him. I'm hiding it in the baby's room, and I'm trying to organize a little virtual Raksha Bandhan call between the two of them. He's gonna open his package, we'll put on the Rakhi and all that stuff. So I'm just trying to organize it without him knowing too much. He knows his sister's gonna call him, but that's what we're doing this morning. So surprise virtual Raksha Bandhan happening right now. Let's get organized.
I have this Rakhi from my sister that was sent to me 2 years ago. So 2 Raksha Bandhans ago.
Yeah.
This Rakhi is from the last Raksha Bandhan. Yeah, this year because of Delta variant and other stuff, I don't know, they're not accepting posts.
Yeah. I set about arranging the items that we needed for our little virtual call. I also had to find a way to extract a Rakhi that I bought and hid under this old record player.
Oh, he's getting there. You're getting there. I know. He doesn't know what to do.
Having successfully done that, I also had to retrieve Supriya's package, which I hid in Mahi's chest of drawers. Then I got out a gift bag, put her package in the gift bag so that it would be less obvious, and then it was time for our virtual call. Oh, that's the alarm. Okay, we should set up. Let's see if this works.
Yeah.
Hi
Hi Didi, your camera is off.
Okay, can you see?
Yes?
Yes, we can see you.
Hi, Didi.
Hi,
Happy
Didi.
Rakhi. Happy Rakhi to you too. You look lovely.
Oh, thank you.
I see you're dressed up and you have a bindi and
Yes, I dressed up.
I have been wanting to talk to you and Aneela told me that there is this coordination going on and abhi baat karenge. So I have dressed up also. I am wearing full pants.
Oh, nice.
Wearing a shirt, baal bana liya. Mahi has done a great thing here for himself. He's standing. He is standing with support. Come to Bua. Come to Bua. तू नहीं भेज पाई थी राखी मेरे को. मेरे पास कुछ है. अनीला लेके आ रही है.
Pranav's 2 Rakhis from last year, which he keeps every Rakhi which you send to him, and then this Rakhi which says brother, right? This is one which I got from the grocery from Panchvati,
Oh, Aneela Panchmati se leke aayi
which
hai.
I got for Didi for this year.
Thanks, Aneela.
Lekin. Didi, do you want to say the next part?
No, you
Okay.
say.
Hooray! Sumeru! Arey, things came up, Didi.
Yes.
That is amazing. Oh, this is so many memories, Didi. Parlay Kiss Me Toffee. अच्छा इसकी किस मी बार बन गई थी eventually, but I have not seen the toffee in a while. I got a Rakhi. Oh shit. I got a real Rakhi. And real tikka. Oh. And
Rakhi is for Mahi, one for you and one for Aneela.
I can smell garam masala.
oh, you know what?
Arey wah. Oh, is this your 27 ingredient ka garam masala?
No, this is just 6, 7 in.
Oh, I will cherish
अरे वाह,
this.
ये बहुत अच्छी लगती है कैंडी मुझे. तूने you have also written excuse me for not writing in straight lines. So sweet. Thank you दीदी.
हमेशा बोलते थे ना
हाँ.
कि straight line में लिखो, हमेशा बोलते थे पापा को.
Not only did Pranav receive a Rakhi, but I also got something called Bhabi ki Rakhi.
Ashi के लिए. Hi Shrey.
Hey.
Hi. Happy Rakhi to everyone.
Supriya also sent a Rakhi on behalf of Arshi and Arishti, our nieces, for Mahi's first Raksha Bandhan.
चुन्नी पहना दे इसको.
And ever since we've been living back in Canada, I have been the one to tie Pranav's Rakhi on behalf of Supriya, which some people might think is a little strange, but it really isn't for us.
Thanks Didi. Thank you. Thanks Arshi beta. Thank you so much. Say namaste. उतार दी है वैसे बादल फिर से. Happy Rakhi. Bye Arshi. Bye Shrey. Yes, you did it, Mahi. Thank you, Bobby.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
Very special.
All right, now it's time to extract the buckle from the oven. That beautiful seasonal fruit is looking so gorgeous on top. We actually had this with our morning coffee. We couldn't wait to dig into it.
Oh, that
Hear that?
crunch, yes.
That's just butter.
It's the crunchy butter bottom.
The bottom is in fact crunchy and the interior is light and fluffy.
It's so fluffy. It's
I
soft
see the
and...
steam coming out.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Sorry. Mmm.
It's fluffy, but it's also rich from the milk and butter, and the tartness provided by the fruit helps to create a balance that is out of this world. I really hope you like this recipe, friends, and if you give it a try, let me know in the comments down below.
Even better than last time.
As always, thank you for spending time with us. Please like, share, subscribe, and I hope that you're safe and well wherever you are. See you very soon next week.
I'm buckling.
Are your knees buckling?
I'm buckling. The marriage of butter and my batter. Getting better.
Oh, wow. Oh, thank you for that. Buttered bottom?
Yeah. Better butter
The
bottom.
better Betty, what is that tongue
Betty
twister?
butter,
Betty
bought some
butter,
butter.
bought some butter, but the butter was bitter?
Too bitter.
I don't
So
think
Betty
that-
butter bought some more butter
Some
to
better
make the bitter butter
Butter better.
better.
Oh my